Hey, it's Sandy from thisvitalstuff.com, and today we're talking about Stress Away, the blend of Stress Away. And I'm really kind of excited to share this one for you. It's not one that I use a lot. The bottle that I have is actually one of the older ones. It still has the old label, but it is one that I have recently found to be a pretty valuable oil. I've had this for a couple years, just never thought I needed it, but I did need it. I'll tell you about that in a little bit. But let me tell you a little bit about the oil and then we'll get into that. Stress Away is one of the blends. That means it has several oils in it. So if you're looking to save money and get more for your money, you might want to look at the blend of Stress Away because you get the benefit of several oils. Whether it's for the stress factor or whether it's just for the benefits of those individual oils, you can get them all at one time. So it's a blend of copaiba, lime, cedarwood, I never know how to say this one, Ocotea, 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 and lavender. We all know that people who live with high levels of stress, acute stress, tend to have weaker immune systems. And if you have a weaker immune system, obviously you are going to be more susceptible to everything that comes by. Also, if you have a lot of stress, you're probably not sleeping well, which is not good for your health either. So Stress Away can really help you in several different ways. So let's look at those individual components of it. Copaiba. Copaiba is extremely high in this other thing I can't say. B-caryophyllene. C-A-R-Y-O-P-H-Y-L-L-E-N-E. You gotta look that one up. That helps to elevate your mood, and a lot of people think of copaiba as like the magnifying glass of oils. Whatever you mix it with, it's going to kind of really draw out those benefits and magnify them. Lime is another one that's in there. It has a really fresh fragrance, and it's kind of both stimulating and refreshing at the same time, and it may help you overcome occasional sadness. Cedarwood is known as a calming oil. Ocotea, Ocotea, whatever it is an emotional lifesaver for those who use that a lot. Lavender is known to be a relaxing oil. It promotes general health and a general sense of well-being. And then it also contains vanilla. Now, not the essential oil vanilla, but just vanilla, which is another calming ingredient. So how do you use it on an everyday basis? You can just take the stress away whenever you feel like you need a little. Open the bottle, take a couple deep breaths, and you've definitely got the aromatic application going that way. Another thing you can do, like if you have to drive in traffic a lot, I live near DC, traffic is our life if you have to commute or if you get on I-95 any time of the day. I was on it at 4 o'clock in the morning one time on an overnight trip, and yeah, it had tons of cars on it at 4 o'clock in the morning even. But anyway, I digress. You can keep a little roller bottle of it diluted, and when you're in traffic, you can put some around, just around your ears. Sometimes I put an oil on my upper lip if I want to get the aromatic application, just so I can keep smelling it. You can diffuse it. It's really good to diffuse in an office or in your home. In the evening, if you want to just kind of take some of the stress out of the situation, you can do that. I happen to have it in a spray bottle. I needed to demo a spray bottle one time, so I made this up, and I'm glad I did because I used it in the spray bottle one time, and that's my first time to use it actually. I get a call from someone in another state saying, "Hey, I'm going to come up and surprise your husband for his birthday," and that meant an overnight stay. And I was really excited and happy that this person was going to do that, but my house was not ready. My refrigerator was not ready, and I only had a little bit of time to do what I needed to do, and I was rushing around trying to get it done, and because I wanted to be able to relax while this person was here. And I was feeling a little stressed, and I walked past the spray bottle that I had made up, and I thought, I wonder. So I took the spray bottle, and I just kind of pointed it up in the air like this, and sprayed it a time or two. Let the little droplets fall down on my skin, whatever, and I smelled it as it came by, and I just went back to work, and I thought, who knows what's going to happen. And I realized a few minutes later that I was still getting stuff done, but I just felt much more relaxed about it. I wasn't stressing out over it, and so I really, that convinced me because I was a skeptic about that one. I thought, how can an oil take your stress away? But it really helped. So anyway, that's how you can use it. And I'm going to read through my notes a little bit here. For the diffuser, it says that it can calm the nerves and promote a relaxing atmosphere. This recommends that you put 4 to 8 drops in your diffuser when you're feeling angry or when you're having acute stress or anxiety. For topical, it says, you know, a roller bottle is really good. Put it in your pocket or your purse. When you feel like you need to calm down, bring it out, put it to your wrists, behind your ears, on your temple, in your neck. You can inhale it off your wrists. You can also just sniff it right out of the bottle like we mentioned. For topical, no, that's what we just did. Then I have some recipes for the diffuser with Stress Away, and I'm going to give those to you guys as a freebie in a PDF. That the link will be there for you to download that or to get that PDF. But there's a diffuser recipe here for sweet dreams, one for wake up right or homework time, another one that they call root beer float, one for sweet slumber. And then some roller recipes include Be Happy, Keep Calm, Vanilla Mint Room Spray. And so I'll give you those in a free PDF. But Stress Away blends well with lavender, blends well with ylang ylang, tranquil roll-on, peace and calming, bergamot, orange, common sense, Roman chamomile, valor, and frankincense. Now there are some Young Living products that have Stress Away in them. That's going to be found in the beauty mask and also as part of the Everyday Oils collection. It is also part of the starter kit that you get with Young Living when you want to become a member. So recently in a Facebook post, Young Living members were asked how they use Stress Away, and I thought this was really interesting. So let me read through this little list. It says, in a roller ball almost every day, in a diffuser necklace, before going to work, with lavender in a diffuser, on my niece and nephew, in bath salts, as a perfume, on my wrists, over my heart, diffused with citrus fresh and eucalyptus, when I babysit the grandkids, when I substitute teach, for screaming babies. By the way, if you use essential oils with little kids, it's good to diffuse. If you put them on topically, make sure you know what you're doing and that you're diluting enough, okay? There's a safety issue there with real little kids. At home with my 2 kids, on me when my toddler has a meltdown, inhale as needed, at work, recently during a cross-country move with kids, cats, and cars, during finals, anytime I want to smile, during homework time, at family gatherings, diffused at night with lavender, bath salt gifts for teacher friends, mixed with peppermint for stress-free focus and alertness, on my moody teenager, diffused with Christmas spirit, and the last one is mixed with the blend Joy and worn as a perfume. So I hope that helps you guys know a little bit more what to do with Stress Away. Again, it is one of the ones that comes in your premium starter kit. And it's one that, again, I didn't really think I needed it that much, but then when I did need it, it was really beneficial to me. It just kind of turned my whole mood around and helped me to do what I needed to do in a more relaxed state. So anyway, hope that helps. Again, this is Sandy with thisvitalstuff.com. Don't forget to click the link and get your free PDF of the rollerball recipes and the diffuser recipes for Stress Away. I'll be seeing you later. Bye-bye.